everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to copy the content of one file to another file in C programming language. So this is my header file #include stdio.h. So this is a program for copying the content of one file to another. So this is my main function. So I'll declare one variable ch which is of type character because I want to operate at character level. And this is my data structure file. So I'm creating two pointer variables because I'm operating with two files. So one is at reading mode and another one is at writing mode because I want to read from some file and I just copied into another file. So because of that I'm creating two pointer variables. The first pointer variable can hold the first file and the second pointer variable can address your second file. So here see in this statement if. So I am checking whether that file is existed or not. If it is not existed, then it just exit from the program without doing anything. If it is existed, if this function is returns true, means this file is already existed at desktop. Okay. So before I am going to explain this program, I will show you that file is available at my desktop or not. So this is my read.txt file, so which is available at my desktop, and it will consisting the data like, hi everyone, how are you all, welcome to CPNM class. So now this is a file. So here see, so read.txt file is already existed at my desktop, and now I'm open this file for read mode because I want to read the content which is available in that file. So now I started reading character by character. So ch equals to get c of fp1. So fp1 is nothing but it will point the first file read.txt. So now what we make an assumption is, so here fp2 is pointed to another file, so that is write.txt. So now this fopen function, when you open write plus, that is this file is open for both reading and writing purpose. But here what's happening, so the file truncates to the 0th position, that is it will take your cursor to the beginning position and it try to do the operation what we are trying to do. So now this file is not existed at my desktop. So what your fp2 will do, what your C compiler will do, it will check it is not existed, then it will create a new file with that name on the specified location. So after execution of this program, you can observe that write.txt file, it will be created on desktop, which will consisting the content of your read.txt. Right? So see now how it happens. So in this file, you just read the character by character until you can reach the end of the file position. So where you have to read, you can read from first file and you can write to second file. See simply the logic. fputc is a function, so which will write the contents character by character into your second file because fp2 is pointing your second file, and now you have to read from your first file. So what's happening in your while loop, you just read character by character from file 1 and you just copied into your file 2 by using this fputc function. So then after that you have to close your first file first, then the second file. So here I just written a printf statement which will gives you an acknowledgement like the content of read.txt is copied. Just go and verify. See, just go and verify on desktop. So this is only for acknowledgement purpose. So whatever you return on this printf statement, and that will be prompted on your command prompt. So now I have to here return 0 for this, because if condition fails, what I need to do, I just exit from this program. So because that file is not existed which I am trying to read. Okay, so this is my program. So I'll try to execute this program. See, compile and run it. So you just observe that only a simple statement which I am trying to print on my console by using a printf statement, that is only visible on your screen. The content of read.txt is copied. Just go and verify on desktop. So I just close it and then I'll go to my desktop. So this is a write.txt which is created with the content of read.txt. See? So this is your write.txt, write.txt, which will consisting, hi everyone, hello, how are you all? Welcome to CPNF class. Now you can identify this is your read.txt. I just opened this file. See, this is your read.txt. It will also consisting the same thing. So after you are performing the copying operation, your original as well as your new file is also consisting the same content. So this is about how to copy the content of one file to another file in C programming language. I hope you all understand. Thank you.